In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the wiper blades on this Mercedes E350. Let's get into it. We're going to get the wipers in service mode, take the key, put it in the accessory mode, and then we're going to turn the wipers on. And then when it goes to the top, turn the key to the off position. You can pull the key out. We just pull the wiper blade arm up. We're going to rotate the blade, and it's just going to slide off like that. Take the new wiper blade. The attachment that's on there does not work for this vehicle, so we're going to slide that off. Just push this button, and it slides down and out. This is the attachment we're going to use. It says BC on it. Slide that in where the arrow is. Push it in place. And then this little cover, E, is going to go on top. Just slides in like that, pushes down. Now take the blade, go through the hole, and slide it back in position. You can do the same on the other side. Now take the key, turn it in the on position, let the wipers go down, then you can shut them off. You're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.